Talking about summer fragrance, super hydrating, and I have seen a difference. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing a hot girl summer essentials because it is hot, baby. It is very hot. I literally stay in AC all the time. तो मुझे इतनी गर्मी लगती नहीं है, but the minute I step out, it's like a heat room. And in Mumbai, तो it is very hot because we are on the coastal side, so humidity भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So my essentials are mainly for like the hot and humid climate. And I am sorry if you can hear any of that thuk happening on top. I really can't help the Mumbai construction and the Mumbai heat and the Mumbai pollution and everything else that comes with living in the city. But I hope you enjoy this video nonetheless. I'm going to keep it short, simple, and all the products I recommend will be very helpful to you all. So I hope you all enjoy watching this video. I'll link everything for you all niche in the description box, so you can check the description for ease of shopping. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel and you have no idea who I am, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to the every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. The first thing I think you need in this summer heat is a nice cooling beverage. And my Impulse iced tea is definitely a hot girl summer essential. Not just hot girl, it's a hot mama, it's a hot anybody summer essential. Honestly, sipping on this just cools you down. Just a nice, very juicy cup of iced tea. It's very well flavored and we've got so much love for our iced tea, and I'm so happy with the response. Everyone who trusted us, trusted the fact that we can get our flavors just right for y'all. This is that iced tea where every single flavor is unique, it's different, and every single flavor is gonna really hit the right palate with you. You get 5 different flavors in this one box of iced tea, and you get like 10 different sachets of iced tea. So you've got blueberry, you've got strawberry, guava, chili, pineapple, and lemon, which is the classic iced tea flavor. If you have not yet tried out Impulse iced tea, you can also specially use code Sara Squad, and you can avail a special discount on our Impulse iced tea because you're a part of the Sara Squad and you come from this family, so you always get that extra discount. That's the first thing I feel like you definitely need to try and use in the summer, and everyone in your house is going to be obsessed. The second thing I use is right before gym. I do this 2-step skincare routine, okay? I don't put any active serums, ज़्यादा कुछ मैं लगाती नहीं हूँ gym से पहले, और gym में सबसे ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. I become very sweaty in the gym even though there is AC. My hair becomes frizzy, all of that. So what I do on my bare face first is take this Juicy Chemistry Rose Water Toner. It's just pure rose water. It's called Bulgarian Rose Water. It's for brightening and hydrating, but I personally just need it for like hydration. The spray is a nice spray and it's just super hydrating on the skin. So जैसे ही मैं उठती हूँ सुबह, if my skin is feeling dry or dull or whatever, I just take a nice spritz of this. अच्छे से इसमें नहा लेती हूँ. अभी over makeup I will not use this. I only use this on my bare face, and after I've done this, then I go ahead and apply my SPF. I use the Plum's SPF. This is an SPF 50 hybrid sunscreen. So in this very humid and hot weather, this is a very nice texture. It's a creamy sunscreen, but it blends into the skin like a dream. It's their rice water and niacinamide 2% sunscreen. It has PA 4+. This sunscreen also has niacinamide, which is great if you have acne prone skin like mine, क्योंकि मुझे आज एक pimple आ रखा है and I keep getting acne. So the niacinamide in this actually helps to overall brighten your skin also. So while you're getting sun protection, you also get that added ingredient and that added plus of brightening your skin. So that's like a 2-in-1 that this sunscreen gives you, and it has no white cast whatsoever. ये sunscreen मुझे summers में especially ज़्यादा पसंद है because इसमें physical और chemical filters दोनों है. So it gives you that broad spectrum protection, and while it's lightweight on the skin, you are getting really good sun protection with this, which is literally the purpose of a sunscreen. I really like the packaging also. It's a squeezy tube that comes with a pump. पूरा का पूरा ये sunscreen पहले मैंने खत्म कर दिया. This is a fresh new tube of this, and in general, you know, I love Plum as a brand. All of their products are so good and so well formulated and come at such great price points. I recently did a podcast with Plum, which is their Plum Skin City podcast. I don't know if you saw it. It was with Rohan Joshi and Sapan Verma, and it was super funny. So we really tried to like dumb down skincare for everyone, and we were talking about mucin and serums, and I was like the skin expert and they were getting the knowledge from me. It was super funny. I had the best time shooting, and it was just so informative also for people while being funny. It's on Plum's channel. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it for you niche. Summers के लिए मेरा favorite moisturizer is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I know ये महंगा है, but this is an investment in your skin. I have tried to dupe it for you all with a lot of affordable brands. And yes, a lot of brands do come close, but the hydration that a Moisture Surge gives you, I genuinely feel like it's that one and done solution कि अगर आपने ये moisturizer लगाया, you don't need to go ahead with a hyaluronic acid serum or another hydrating product, especially if you have dry skin. It's the one moisturizer which will really give you moisturization that will last long and not make your skin feel chip-chippa. So even underneath makeup, I have this moisturizer on. At night, I apply this. This is like my, I don't know, like 20th jar of the Moisture Surge, which is completely over. So I need to again buy a new one. Gets over super fast, I have to say that. And I think I'm their biggest client because I must be saying that, but I know a lot of people are Moisture Surge loyalists. This is definitely hyped for a reason. I can never dupe this for you 100%. एक और skincare brand जो बहुत trusted है and I really like their products is Wishcare, and this is their underarm serum roll-on. Now this is a little moist, I would say like a wet application under your arms. Like once you apply this, आपको थोड़ी देर रुकना पड़ेगा for it to dry, but it has really brightening ingredients. So I have actually seen a difference in like underarms after I've used this regularly. I keep this in my bathroom only. तो जब मैं नहा लेती हूँ, after my bath when I'm anyways a little damp, I apply this. I let it dry till I'm putting on my clothes. So it nicely like gets absorbed into the skin. It has kojic acid, it has AHAs, it has hyaluronic, licorice and cica. It's everything for like calming your underarms and just brightening it overall. I have been using it for a very long time. This is my second bottle and I have seen a difference and my underarms brighten. So the only चीज आपको नहीं अच्छी लगेगी कि अरे भाई इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है सूखने के लिए, but एक बार सूख गया then you will not be sweaty all day, you will not be smelling bad. It has this aqua fresh like fragrance. It's nice, like you will enjoy using it if you'll start seeing the difference. Give it some time, you will not immediately fall in love with it, but I think it's a hot girl summer essential because it is an antiperspirant while also giving you brightening properties. Now my hair is a hot mess in the summer. I hate my hair in this weather because like I can't seem to like make peace with my hair and my hair is always just turning frizzy. So when it's damp और जब मेरे बाल गीले होते हैं तभी मैं अच्छी तरीके से this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum ऐसे 2-3 पंप लेके मैं बहुत सारा 2-3 ज़्यादा हो गया, एक पंप, मेरे बाल इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है, 1-2 पंप मैक्स टू मैक्स लेके मैं अच्छे से अपने बालों को ड्रेंच कर लेती हूँ इस सीरम से. Yes, it becomes a little oily in general, but that's okay. I will then wash it again after 2 days. It will weigh my hair down a little bit, but it will also keep the frizz at bay. Because I've been using so much hair growth serum and been eating clean and all, I have a lot of hair growth and you must be seeing all these flyaways, which is quite a problem because I'm on camera all the time. So I have to be a little presentable and keep my hair a little presentable, and this serum is my holy grail for such a long time. I also love like Olaplex and I use a lot of other serums also like Tresemme and all, but I've found out that ये summer में this is the best. Like ये honestly summers के लिए, मेरे बालों के लिए, frizzy dry बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है कि बालों को moisturize भी रखता है और उसकी frizz को भी control में रखता है. इतना भी use नहीं किया मैंने, आप देख सकते हो. This is like of course my second bottle, but you don't end up using so much. ये अच्छी खासी ये bottle ये 400-500 की आती है and you will आराम से be using this for a very long time. Another summer essential is this triangle puff from Pack Xara's Dare to Dream brush kit because I get so sweaty when I'm shooting and you can't of course take a tissue and wipe your makeup, so you just need to blot away all the pasina that is coming on your face. Like right now मेरा AC बंद है, मेरी window खुली है and I'm sweating my ass out while I shoot this video for you all. So this is literally such a lifesaver while keeping my makeup in place and not making it look patchy. Talking about summer fragrances, we've got a new one from Plum Body Loving. I can genuinely vouch that if there is any affordable perfume that is long lasting, it is this. There is no other affordable perfume on the market in my opinion that lasts as long as Plum Body Loving perfumes last. This is their new perfume, Oh So Pistachio, like a new fragrance, and it's such a nice blend of freshness but sweetness. Like it's that sweet girl summer fragrance, like that soft girl summer aura. If that's what you are going for, then you will love this because you will be smelling very fresh, very fresh, but also give those hint and notes of sweetness. I don't know, for some reason this perfume just gives me a memory of Italy, even though I've not been to Italy, because it's like after I've sprayed it, I feel like I'm smelling like this pistachio gelato, but not in an overly sweet kind of way, in a very fresh kind of way, very comforting way. Like anybody who hugs me will feel like, oh, Sarah's so warm and welcoming. Like that's the energy I'm giving after I've put this perfume on. So that's like the vibration that I have. And because they're so long lasting, trust me, I put this on in the day during my office days, like in office. And जब भी मैं hall में जाती हूँ, I can smell myself. Like every time I'm walking, the wave of perfume is walking with me. I can smell myself and I love when that happens, you know, because if I'm spending on a perfume and if I can't smell myself, I always find it a waste of money. Like दूसरों को तो खुशबू आ रही है, but मुझे भी आनी चाहिए. तो that's what this perfume does for me. This is their summer launch and I think they really hit it right on the mark because I use this with the vanilla caramel body lotion and it pairs pairs so nicely. Like vanilla caramello is the body lotion I have in my bathroom. It's about to get over, but that's one of my favorite like body lotions from Plum. Like the fragrance is a very nice muted caramel, and that mixed with pistachio gelato, like I am literally the epitome of warm and welcoming with this fragrance combo. So trust me, if you want to have that energy and give people that energy, you're gonna love this. I would rate this like this is easily my top 3 in Plum Body Loving's fragrances, and that is not something that the brand is allowing me to rank, but I am telling you that in the top 3, this one is in the top 3 for me. Next I have this product right here. This is a microfiber towel. अभी मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है मेरा ये वीडियो शूट करने के लिए, बट जब मैं बाल धोने के बाद इसको बस इसमें रैप कर देती हूँ, it controls the frizz in my hair. It's basically made of microfiber material which doesn't make your hair super frizzy, and if you air dry your hair it gets even more frizzy. So whenever I'm naturally drying my hair, I just keep it wrapped in the microfiber towel in this hair wrap, and then after some time I Dyson my hair out. मैं तो blow dryer use करती हूँ. I can never trust my hair to behave in this weather, especially because I have wavy hair, so it's just going to become like Monica in Barbados, and it's going to become like this big hair energy which I'm not a fan of. अगर आपके मेरे जैसे frizzy बाल है, you're going to love it and you're going to need it.
Okay, when I go places with high humidity, it gets a little extra body, okay?
The lip gloss I have on right now I think is a very hot girl summer moment, because this is the shade Heat from Maybelline's Lifter Gloss. Ever since this has launched, I've been obsessed with this color and this lip gloss. आज मैंने इसको 2 लिपस्टिक्स के साथ मिक्स करके लगाया है, तो थोड़ा अलग दिख रहा होगा, बट अगर मैं इसको नॉर्मली भी लगाती हूँ, ये बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. Just on pigmented two-tone lips also, this looks so pretty. It's that nice flush of pink, and it's a very long-wearing lip gloss. Even when you're eating, you're sipping on coffee. Like I've been sipping on coffee non-stop, and my lipstick has almost transferred over here. But at the same time, it's very hydrating, so you don't feel that dry, chapped lips feeling. You'll really like the feel of this even after a couple of hours, and that's what I love about this lip gloss. And I think it's perfect because it gives you that juicy lip feel. So when you're going for clubbing, when you're going for parties, and if you have any social plans, I don't, I sit at home and apply this, but if you have any social plans, this will look beautiful on you. If you are a fairer complexion than mine, then you can try the shade Bubblegum. वो भी आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I am like medium to deep, so for medium to deep, Heat is a very nice color. And lastly, I have a summer essential that really is a summer essential. This is something that is a must-have of all must-haves for me. It's a clotrimazole dusting powder, basically an antifungal dusting powder. Because I go to the gym, I sweat so much, and then after like that pasine se sports bra mein na, you tend to get like fungal infection or bacterial infections because you keep that sports bra with that sweat on your body for so long. Just to avoid this has happened to me in the past, and just to avoid that, now what I do is I dust this antifungal powder nicely on myself, then wear my sports bra and then go out. So if you get sweat related infections, which is very very common in Indian climate and Indian weather, ये तो must have है, ये आपको खरीदने चाहिए. Mycoderm C कोई भी आपको उसमें मिलेगा. This is the sandalwood fragrance, उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It's basically a powder which will control fungus formation or spore formation on your body, on your skin. So you really want to protect your skin from the sweat related infections, and I think this is a must have of all must haves, like I already said. I don't have to say this, but pani is a summer essential, you guys, and I have this big 2-liter water bottle, and जब मैं सहरी में रमजान में इसको यूज कर रही थी, everyone was like कहाँ से खरीदा? Actually bought this in Alibag from a दुकान, normal दुकान, but I saw this on Nykaa. It's available on Nykaa, the same bottle in the same color. You get it in 3 colors. It's for the same price जितना मैंने अलीबाग की दुकान से, अलीबाग अजमेर, अजमेर की दुकान से खरीदा है ये. अजमेर में there was this mall we had gone to, if you've seen the vlog, and we saw it and we got it. But if you want like this big 2-liter same water bottle as me, it's very cheap. It's under 1,000, and it is a good water bottle. It comes in 3 colors also. You can get it. I will leave a link for you all on this water bottle now down below. Why am I encouraging you to get this particular water bottle? It's because you will keep track of how much water you're having. I feel like a lot of us, when we are busy, when we are here and there, हम पानी पीना भूल जाते हैं. तो एटलीस्ट ये एक बॉटल आपका टारगेट होगा तो आपका बेयर मिनिमम मीट हो रहा है. बट प्लीज ट्राई टू हैव एटलीस्ट 3 liters of water in this heat. I am the one big tunky. I finished like two times I finished this bottle full day में, and then रात को again I sip on this, and people ask me how many times I go to pee. That's not something that you need to worry about because my body can digest it. But if you want a hot girl summer and you want to live up to the trend and stuff, and you want to get this Stanley dupe tumbler, अभी ये भी मुझे PR में मिला था, but it is now so widely only available on Amazon or Nykaa. So I will leave a link for this also in the description box. This doesn't let you drink a lot of water. You'll just be sipping throughout the day, but if you like to like just sip on water, and अगर आपको flavored water पसंद है, then maybe you can add some flavorings. Honestly, wouldn't recommend doing that all the time. You just need to get used to having water. And if you don't like to chug water, because this is basically like इसका ढक्कन is like a chugging style. This comes with a straw. अगर मैं बाहर वगैरह जाती हूँ, you can't be chugging water like this. So then I use this to go out and just look very sophisticated when I'm doing like this wala era. But ghar pe I'm chugging water from this bottle, so you can pick and choose how you want to drink your water. But I'll leave both of these links for y'all in the description box, which will make it very easy for y'all to shop. Once my team leaves in the night, I immediately strip and change into a slip nightie. That's literally all I can survive in. It's so hot and so sticky, and in the night for some time I keep the AC off just to let some ventilation in my house, otherwise my house will start stinking. So I do open out all my windows and air out my house in the evening time, और जब धूप चली जाती है अच्छे से, and that is the time when I slip into a nice slip dress. So I love like cotton slip nighties. I will link a few for you in the description जो मेरे पास है. You also get really good ones in West Side. Not satin night suits, cotton night suits, but slip dresses like spaghetti. Even if you want cotton shorts, like I wear a lot of shorts and crop top, shorts and t-shirt घर में. Crop top नहीं, baggy t-shirt and shorts. So that's the vibe. Like cotton night suits, I think is a definite summer essential. And that's about it. That is everything for my summer essentials, which I think are very very important. It's just a terminology जो आजकल हम use कर रहे हैं, that's hot girl summer, but these are all just essentials for everyone. I think everybody, no matter what your gender is, apart from the lip gloss and probably the perfume, you can use everything irrespective of your gender. I hope you like my recommendations and you will enjoy using them. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है कि मैं खुद ये वीडियो में पसीना पसीना हो गई हूँ, but I think this time in Mumbai it's not that hot. I don't know how many of y'all can agree with me, because it's very cloudy. Like you're seeing the light is constantly fluctuating in this video also, because धूप है सामने but उसके सामने बादल आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, and every time this cloud comes it's just a little breezy and it's nice, but it is hot for sure. When you go out you feel the heat and the steam too. So I hope you all use your sunscreen really well, SPF, perfume and your underarm roll-on. These are definitely must-haves, and of course your antifungal powder so you don't get infections. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For this video, Sasa Shah goes to Urmi Rasik Dedhia. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sasko shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and it's part of my next video Sara Squad shout out. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.